An author by the name of R.F. Kuang once said, "Every translation is an act of betrayal." And this becomes so true, especially when you translate things from Arabic into English. And one of my recent fixations on this occurrence is with the phrase ittaqullah or ittaqillah. Now, whenever we translate ittaqillah, we always translate it as fear Allah, when in reality the word can be split up into two portions. Obviously the latter half, Allah, and ittaq, coming from taqwa. Now the term taqwa, coming from the root of wa, qaf and ya, means everything to do with protection or guarding. For example, we see this in the dua that we make, رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ. وَقِنَا, guard us or shield us from the hellfire. Now the term taqwa, when used in isolation as mentioned by the noble Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen, means both to obey the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and stay away from that which He has prohibited. However, when used in conjunction with the word birr, then taqwa specifically means staying away from that which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made haram. For example, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى, and help one another in birr and taqwa. In that situation, birr means to obey the commands of Allah, and taqwa means to stay away from that which Allah has made haram. So really, ittaqillah, if given its full meaning, wouldn't mean fear Allah. Rather, it would mean shield yourself from the punishment of Allah by being conscious of that which He has made halal or haram. All of that encapsulated in two words. So moral of the story, ittaqullah.